Hey traders, Jamie Setley here with your March 3rd Daily FX Technical Focus. This is Monday and markets opened last night with pretty big gap down in some risk pairs as per the whole Ukraine incident. S&P's down about 15 right now, and we're going to actually take a look at the Aussie dollar. A lot of central bank meetings this week, and RBA is the first one. It's tonight, so take a look. Yep, S&Ps are down 15, by the way, 16. So Aussie dollar actually trading pretty well given the sell-off here. Gap down, but relatively unchanged right now on the day. So it's retraced last night's decline from Friday's close. And we're sitting right at channel support. So this is a parallel channel, which sometimes can indicate the bottom of a corrective move to the downside. With so much event risk on tap, it's kind of silly to suggest that this is a low, but a gap down on a Sunday and then recovery to close unchanged is actually a pretty good setup, I think, for a test of higher levels. So where would resistance be? Well, I'm looking at resistance at 90.25 or so to close from here on the 18th. If indeed the reaction to news tonight is negative, then I would look for support at 88.20. So the whole point here of this video really is to just highlight important levels. Because if you're going into a news event where the market's going to be moving quickly, you can't be doing analysis on the fly. You got to have your levels mapped out and ready to go. It's a big part of the plan, obviously. So 99.20 roughly, 88.20 roughly, 200-point range. It's kind of where I'm looking for resistance and support. Bigger picture, just want to point this out. It's always important to have the bigger picture in mind. We've gone over this a lot of times, in these videos here in recent months, but remember, the big macro trend is probably still down, okay? We broke down back in May of 2013, retested the breakdown level in October last year of 2013 there, continued down, and ever since, the low here in mid-January, we've rebounded, but it's really fairly weak in the context of this overall downtrend, and there is really big resistance from trend channel resistance, as well as former highs, roughly between 90.85 and 91.65. And it really intersects this channel over the next few weeks. So it's quite possible that you get the big tradable high for the next move down in the Aussie at some point in March. And with the event risk over the next 2 days, again, RBA tonight, GDP tomorrow, you might just get that spike into resistance that you're looking for. All right, so thank you for joining me. Again, tons of stuff on the calendar this week, okay? Lots of central bank meetings, rhetoric, sure to gyrate markets on an intraday basis, so have your levels ready. RBA is the first one tonight. Take care.